Hello everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to prepare Anko, which is Azuki bean paste. Anko is a basic ingredient for Japanese sweets. For instance, Dorayaki, Taiyaki, and Ohagi are prepared with Anko. These are ingredients. Rinse the Azuki. Pour them in a pot and cover with plenty of water. I blanch them, then throw away the water. I place them again in the pot and pour plenty of water. When it boils, I skim the scum and keep cooking until they turn very soft for about 1 hour, with a lid slightly open. Attention that beans must be covered with the water. Otherwise, add some water when you need. I turn off the heat and add the sugar. When the sugar is completely dissolved, I let it rest overnight. The next day, I cook them again and bring to a boil. When it boils, I turn down the heat and continue to mix them with a spatula until the consistency turns out like fruit jam. So they still contain a little bit of liquid. Turn off the heat. Now Anko is ready to use.
Thank you for watching. We will see you next time.